If you've ever worried about a tire blowing out on your RV or trailer in the middle of a road trip, this little device could save you thousands of dollars and a whole lot of stress. Today, we're checking out the Tymate tire pressure monitoring system, and right from the start, it gives the impression of being a well-thought-out product. Opening the box, everything is neatly organized and securely packed. You get the solar-powered display unit, the tire pressure sensors, locking nuts, the installation wrench, charging cable, user manual, and everything needed to get started without buying any extra accessories. The build quality immediately stands out. The monitor feels solid, the sensors are lightweight yet durable, and the overall presentation makes it feel like a premium product rather than just another generic TPMS. Installation turned out to be much easier than I expected. After charging the display for a few minutes with the built-in solar panel and USB backup option, I simply screwed each sensor onto the tire valve stems, tightened the locking nuts using the included wrench, and paired them with the display. The entire process was straightforward, and the manual explains each step clearly. So even if you've never installed a TPMS before, you shouldn't have any trouble. In less than 20 minutes, the whole system was installed and ready to monitor every tire on the trailer. The wireless connection was stable, and the sensors were detected almost immediately without any frustrating setup process. Once everything was installed, the display started showing real-time tire pressure and temperature for each wheel. The screen is bright, easy to read, and remains visible even in direct sunlight, while the compact design doesn't block the driver's view. One feature I really appreciate is the automatic warning system. If a tire starts losing pressure or overheating, the monitor alerts you instantly, giving you time to react before a small issue turns into an expensive roadside emergency. That's exactly the kind of peace of mind every RV owner wants on long trips. Overall, I'm genuinely impressed with the Tymate tire pressure monitoring system. The unboxing experience feels premium, installation is beginner-friendly, and the system works exactly as advertised. It's one of those upgrades that doesn't just add convenience, it adds confidence every time you hit the road. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable TPMS for your RV or trailer, this is definitely a product worth considering. Check the links in the description if you'd like to learn more or pick one up for your next adventure.